What's up guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you my exact KDP keyword research process. In this video I will show you how to do proper keyword research, how to validate those keywords, and how to use those keywords into your title, subtitle and backend keywords of your book. So if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. So there are few steps in keyword research. The first one is make a list of relevant keywords. Here you should focus on relevant first. You need to make a list of keywords. Then the second step is validate those keywords on Amazon. You need to search those keywords one by one on the Amazon store and assess about the competition and about the search volume of those keywords. Number three is select keywords with low competition and high search volume. And number 4 is how to use those keywords. To know this, you need to watch this video till the very end. So first, get started. How to make a list of relevant keywords. If you can make this an Excel sheet, or you can make this a sheet on Google Slides. I am using Google Slides. Here you can see I have made some columns like keywords. Here is the search results. These are the search results on Amazon store. And it is average bestsellers rank. The average bestsellers rank for that specific keyword. These are the three main criteria you should check, and you can make a parallel columns as well to organize those keywords. Or if you feel like, you can put those keywords down here as well. Like if you feel like, you can put those keywords here, but I used to see those keywords in front of me on the same sheet. So here you can also use a column to cross niche. If you come across some cross niche ideas, you can put here. So before doing research on Amazon store, you should have installed some extensions like Amazon Amazon Quick View and Amazon Suggestion Expander, and thirdly, that is Unicorn Smasher. Unicorn Smasher it shows you the average bestseller ranks or average BSRs very quickly. You don't need to manually calculate the average bestsellers rank. Just you can install this extension. It is Unicorn Smasher. So you can search this on the Chrome extension store like that. So first, make a list of relevant keywords. I am going to make a list for a to-do list notebook. So I will type to-do list notebook, and here in the drop down I will note down all the relevant keywords. As you can see, Amazon AMZ Suggestion Expander has shown me some additional keywords as well. What I will do is I will take a screenshot of this by pressing print screen from my laptop's keyboard. Then I will open a Paint document and I will Ctrl+V paste here. So you can see I have pasted this search results. From here I will now one by one note down these keywords in my sheet, this sheet. Next thing I will do some, once I have done with this, I will delete this. If I see any cross niche idea here, I will note down that in the specific column on my Excel sheet here, cross niche idea. So first we have I will make a list of keywords like from Amazon search. I can type like to-do list notepad are funny to do gifts, things like that. Be as relevant as you can. So make a list of firstly from the Amazon.com store. Put those keywords here in the first column. Next, create a manual ad set in the Amazon advertising platform. Here, create a manual ad set and start typing some words like to do list, and then click on add all here. And from here, note down the most relevant keyword or copy and paste the most relevant keywords here. Like I am pasting here. Then I will check out those keywords and delete the irrelevant one. This seems irrelevant to me. Spiral. You can use spiral, but what books we publish on Amazon are not spiral bound. So the idea is to be as relevant as you can. The third step is you can go to Google search and type your main keyword here, and you can note down the relevant keywords from the drop down. If you have a keyword everywhere, or I know keyword everywhere is now paid, so I am using keyword surfer. Though I have a paid version of keyword everywhere, but for a free extension to show you people, I am using this keyword surfer. So here I will also note some relevant keywords from here. I will type some different keywords like notepad, diary, things like that. Then I will note down the suggestions. Then I will note down these keywords from the keyword surfer, widget, which shows the relevant keywords here. So the idea is to make a list as big as you can. So I have already done this. So you can see here, I have made a list of relevant keywords here, and I have also noted down the search results. You can, but this is the second part. You can manually type your keyword here in the Amazon store, and that is the second one, and you validate your keyword research keywords. To note down, you should first, for example, I am searching this. I am just now validating my keywords. Hold down this keyword here. Click search. This is the second step of this process. You can see here. First, make a list of the keyword, then validate them. This is the search results 50,000, a very huge number to see. And now I will need to click on the unicorn smasher to have an average of bestsellers ranks. So this plugin does all the hard work, and it calculates the average bestseller ranks of all the listings or all the books. You can even refine the search by going to books, but I prefer to do it on the Amazon whole store. So it is loading and making an average of the Amazon bestsellers rank. So get the idea. So you have got the idea. Once it is fully loaded, I will see the number here. This is the average number, but it is still working. I have already done this. At that time it showed me the average BSRs as 53k, so I have noted the 53k here. Similarly, I have done this one by one for all the keywords. You can see here it is now it is showing 59. So roundabout it shows the rough estimate which is exactly near to those manual calculations. So note down those that here I will change it to 59k. Sorry. So I will, you need to do this for one by one for all keywords and make a list in terms of their search results and average bestsellers rank. The next step is to choose keywords. So look at the search results like this. The lowest search results, mark them as green. Highlight them as green. These are the lowest search results, because the lowest search results mean lower the competition is. Here 10,000 search results, mark it as green as well. Then it says 5,000, mark it green as well. So it says 20,000, mark it green as well. And here I will see 40,000, that is less than 50 but it is higher, so I will mark it as red or some next other color. So that is 20,000 as well. I have already done this, just move to that listing. You can see here I have already done that work before making this video. So you can see I have marked the lowest possible search results with 20,000 or it is 5,000, 10,000, and above 20,000 I have marked them as blue. Now now the time is to make use of those keywords to fill up your title, subtitle and the backend keywords. So that is here. Short tail keywords in the title. You can see here to-do list pad or to-do list for desk. You can use this short tail keyword in your title, or to-do list dates. That is not very relevant. Or you can use monthly to-do list pad, or even if you feel like, you can go to this high competitive keywords, because you need to put the mix of high competition, low competition and no competition keywords in your metadata of whole metadata. So I will use this high competition keyword in title, and from the low competition, long tail low competition keyword in my subtitle, and the remaining comparatively low competition keywords in the backend 7 slots. This is the whole process of putting the keyword in a most efficient way. So there are also keyword best practices for keywords filling. The number one is don't use irrelevant keywords in title, subtitle or even in the that should be back-end keyword slots, because irrelevant keywords means your books get indexed for the wrong keywords, and it eventually lowers the relevancy score of your books, because when your book is not relevant to those keywords, the buyer is not going to buy those books. Use keywords in a logical order or fashion. What this means is, you should use these keywords in the proper order, like this to-do list book. It is in order of fashion, rather using book to-do list. That would be in wrong order. So I first notice to use keywords in logical fashion or manner. Third one is don't use plurals. Plurals or singulars doesn't matter. If you use use books, that is the same. It doesn't affect your ranking or indexing. avoid using commas or parentheses. You need not to use commas or parentheses. It not only makes your title subtitle look ugly, it also doesn't have any effect on the overall ranking of your books. So this is the whole process for keyword research for KDP low and no content books. I hope you will love this video and find this helpful. If so, do like this video and also subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new video from me. That is all from me today. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.